Yes, sir, started.
Right. So I'm waiting for the people to join. I'll wait for 1 more minute. Let us start basic figure 3. So let us draw the basic figure 3. In this also, it is also same. First, we are supposed to draw 100 mm square. All of you draw 100 mm square first. I'm drawing 100 mm square. So once we are done with drawing the 100 mm square, we are supposed to draw 30 degrees inclined lines at 10 mm distance, right? So for that, what we are supposed to do is, in our drafter, we will be having errors. So we are supposed to make use of protractor, right? So I am taking this as origin point. I am aligning it to, see, 90 degrees should align with your vertical line, and this 0 degree should align with your horizontal line. Now you take 30 mm. So if I join this and this, that will be 30 degrees, right? No. Now lose your knob. Okay. Now you align your drafter scale with these 2 points. And now I will fix my knob. Okay, now. So now this is 30 degrees. Okay. Is it clear till now? Yes, students?
Sir, explain once again, sir. From 30 degrees.
See, you take a protractor and see, your vertical line should meet with this 90 degrees line, and your horizontal line should meet with this 0 degrees line. Okay, now you measure 30 degrees. You get a dot here, a point, right? So this is 0 and this is 30. So this is 0 and this is 30, isn't it? So now remove protractor and align your drafter scale to this. You see, 0 and 30, isn't it? This is how you align and fix your drafter knob. So if you move anywhere, it will not change its position. It will be at 30 degrees inclined only. That is the usage of tightening or fixing your knob. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you listen carefully. Now you go to corner, move your drafter scale such that the gap should be 10 mm. From this corner to this 0, it must be 10 mm. Is it clear this? Students, if you respond only, I can understand whether you are understanding or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what you do, you put a dot, put your pencil nib here, and you move your drafter scale slowly like this, and make sure that you draw a 30 degrees line. Why I have moved my drafter scale little bit? Because in a single stroke, I can draw in a single stroke, I can draw 30 degrees inclined line. You see, if I draw the next one, you can understand. You see, 10 mm distance, taken 10 mm distance. Okay, put your pencil nib over here and slightly move so that if I draw in a single attempt, it will cover this side and this side. That is the purpose I am moving my drafter scale. Is that clear? Now, next 30 degrees, 10 mm distance, move. It is covering both and draw. Next 30 degrees, 10 mm, cover. Are you following or not?
Yes, sir.
Next. So please ask doubts. If you having more and more doubts, if you are asking more and more doubts, that indicates that you are learning. Okay, now. So I am extending. You see, here I forgot to move drafter scale. What happens? I have to draw till here, and next I have to move and I have to join that line. It won't be good. So that's why I am moving it at the start only. You see, 10 mm, put your pencil nib here and move so that in single stretch you will get a line. Here you see there is some impression that we have joined, right? That should not be there. Now you see 10 mm, put your pencil nib, move and draw. Next 10 mm, put your pencil, move and draw. Next 10 mm, see now it is covering both. Directly you can draw. Next 10 mm, draw. Next 10 mm, draw. Next 10 mm, draw. Next 10 mm, it is coming out, so not required. This is how you are supposed to draw 30 degrees inclined lines. Now, at any convenient position, you can write 30 degrees. And after that, we are supposed to give dimensions. So for that, what you are supposed to do, you lose your drafter nib and once again you align it to your bottom edge of your drawing table or plank and tight it and start using it. Fix. Now extend the lines. Draw the 10 mm horizontal line that will serve you as what? Dimension line. Now draw the arrows. Next. Now at the center you have to write dimension number. Next, this also same. Vertical dimension. Take 10 mm distance. Draw the line. Next, draw the arrows. Okay. After that, write dimension number. Okay. So we are done with giving horizontal and vertical dimension. Now we are supposed to give dimension for this inclined lines. Okay, na? For that, what you are supposed to do is loose your knob and align to one of the inclined line, and now extend these inclined lines. Anyone, anywhere you can draw, not only particular to this. Now, so please listen carefully. If you could see, this is the extension line. This is also extension line. So for these two extension line, the dimension line is perpendicular. That is same. That concept is same at everywhere, right? Always the dimension line will be perpendicular to the extension line, right? Now, if you could see here, these are the extension lines. To these lines, we are supposed to draw the perpendicular line that will serve as dimension line. Okay. Now, you see, we know that these two are always perpendicular to each other. This is 90 degrees, right? So if this is 30 degrees line, so this will be the perpendicular line. So you draw at any convenient location, you draw the dimension line. Is it clear? Now you draw the arrows. I hope you all are understanding and drawing. If you have any doubts, please ask. It is very important that you must be aware of how to use all the instruments. Then you can draw any figure and every figure with much ease. And after that, you draw the dimension number. Once we are done with this, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to write name. I will write the name at the bottom. 5 mm lines. So what will be the name for this? It is basic figure 3. Okay. So this is the third basic figure. See, people are not asking doubts. If you have doubts and if you are feeling shy to ask doubts, you can WhatsApp me at any time. Right? Any doubt, please contact through WhatsApp, or else you can make me a call. Right? The thing is, you all are supposed to be clear with this subject. Right? So that's it for today. Let me take attendance. Are you all drawing or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I want confirmation with all the students.
Yes.
People are joining just and keeping quiet. You can stop recording now. Let me take attendance.